This video shows you log out of Instagram on any phone in a simple and safe way. If you want to sign out of your account, maybe for privacy, switching accounts or just taking a break, follow these easy steps carefully. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to sign out from. Once the app is open, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines menu icon. This will open the settings and activity menu. From there, scroll down slowly until you reach the bottom of the page. You will find the logout option here. Now tap on log out your username. If you have multiple accounts logged in on the same device, you may also see log out of all accounts, depending on your setup. Select the option that fits your need. After that, Instagram will ask whether you want to save your login information on this device. If you choose save, it will make future login easier. If you choose not now, you will need to enter your password again next time you log in. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping log out in the pop-up window. Wait a few seconds and your account will be successfully signed out. Your Instagram logout is complete, keeping your account safe and private while allowing easy switching between devices whenever needed in future usage sessions. Successfully done now.